Hey, this is the Weed Burps, otherwise known as Nick. Yeah, well, this is my bike check, I guess. Okay, well, I have a Mutiny Loosefer frame, 21-inch top tube. I have an S&M redneck stem. It's like from 1990 some shit. I don't even know. Nitrous OG forks. Stock front rim off of an Eastern. Odyssey tires. Edwin grips. Odyssey bar ends. Shit. Okay, and then got animal stripe seat in white. I also have another one in black. Stock seat post. Got king seat post clamp and splash. Oh, got a headset and splash too. Redline device cranks. Odyssey pedals. Redline bottom bracket. Profile chain wheel. And I have a Shadow Conspiracy chain. It's gay as fuck. Don't ever get that chain. It will stretch on you in 10 minutes. Have a Madeira hub in the back, and some stock spokes and black sheep rim. Animal MK3 pegs, and yeah, it's just Odyssey Aaron Ross tires. Evans Components, sponsored by them in Gainesville. I think that's about it. Oh, and these are Odyssey bars. I'm pretty sure they would be lumberjacks that I took the sticker off of, with Odyssey Gary Young grips on them from like a while ago. They're up for sale, so if you want to get them, they're pretty new looking. I don't know, hit me up with a price, I'll check if it's right, but yeah, that's about it. Oh, Aaron Ross shoes do work. Alright, that's it.